Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Zoom and creating the meeting now. Choose new meeting or schedule to set time. Make quick selections, mute on entry or video defaults so discussions stay orderly. Once done, copy the invite link or add participants from contacts and paste it into your group chat. You do this now so everyone has access before the start. This prevents delays and lets you focus on facilitation rather than tech during the discussion. You now manage the session by assigning co-hosts to help moderate. This lets you handle interruptions without pausing the flow. Make use of breakout rooms for small group tasks and open screen share so presenters can show slides. Use chat for quick links and raise hand for orderly turns. Once participants are in, monitor the participants panel to mute background noise and spotlight speakers. This keeps audio clean and ensures the conversation stays focused. You finish by ending the meeting for everyone or letting participants leave individually, and make sure to save the recording to cloud or local storage. Once saved, share the recording link and any notes via chat or email so absent members can catch up. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Ask people to test mic settings, switch audio devices, or use the phone dial-in option. This solves most audio issues and gets your group back on track without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.